This is Dylan. Welcome to my daily trading analysis video. Today is a Monday, 13th of April. So we're going to start off with Euro against the US dollar. Right, so we're going to zoom in the 4-hourly charts. So what's happening right now is the price has been falling for the past few days, or the past one whole week itself. And it has already broken a key level over here at the price of 1.0716. It breaks lower. Now it's moving closer to the previous low at the price of 1.0471. Global expansion 141.4%. So therefore, at this moment, we are expecting price to fall even further. So zooming the smaller time frame itself, the 15-minute charts, we would like to wait for further retracement to see if we can go for a short opportunity again. So preferably, we are actually looking at the price of somewhere close to the price of 1.0624 to go for shorts by using simple resistance level as a gauge itself. So that's about it. So just wait for a short opportunity. We are expecting price to fall all the way back to the previous low. Alright, so next we have the New Zealand dollar against the US dollar. Alright, so what happened this morning is the price has fell and broke below the rising trend line as it reaches the end of consolidation. The reason for the fall is because China has posted a trade balance which is lower since March 2014. So therefore, price fell, and we are expecting price to fall even further from here onwards. For zooming the smaller time frame itself, let's take a look at the 1-hour chart. Alright, pretty much there's nothing we can do right here, but we hope to see price to retrace a little bit further in the smaller time frame to see if we can actually go for the long opportunity again from here. Alright, so as of now, just have to observe. Next, we have the pound against US dollar. So price has also fell and it has broken below two exhaustion level, one at price of 1.4704, one says 1.8%, and 1.4623 global expansion 1.4%, which is the previous low, and since it has already broken below, we're expecting price to fall even further till the next support level at 1.4489, global expansion 161.8%. Alright, so therefore right now we can actually zoom in the smaller time frame to see if we can actually get an opportunity to go for the shorts. Alright, at this moment it does seem that the 55 moving average would be a good level to go for the shorts. Therefore we can wait for price to appreciate a little bit further, or rather retrace a little bit further to the price of 1.4629 to look for a short opportunity. Alright, so that's for the pound against the US dollar. Next, we have the Aussie against the US dollar, similarly to the New Zealand dollar against the US dollar, as China posted its lowest, or rather its weakest trade balance since the March 2014. Price has fell, and yes, it is about to reach its previous low at the support level 0.7554. Right, so we are still expecting price to fall a little bit further till it touches this level. We might expect price to rebound from there. Since we also have to take note that the Reserve Bank of Australia did not cut interest rates, this may cause their currency to still continue to appreciate. So at this moment, we might be able to expect price to rebound from this key support level at 0.7554. Right. So that's pretty much for the Aussie against US dollar. Next, we have the dollar against the the dollar against the Japanese yen. Alright, price was kind of little change from last week itself as it fell, and then it started to appreciate again. If you zoom in the 15-minute charts, you can see that the price at 120.1 is a good support level. So there's been quite a number of numerous type of support at this level, and therefore price began to appreciate from there. And of course, we also expected price to appreciate even further till it touches the next resistance level of 121 flats. Alright, so at this moment, just we are seeing the price is currently retracing a little bit. So probably we might want to take just observe a little bit more and see if we can actually find an opportunity to go for a long again, preferably at the price of 120.33, and if not, if it breaks lower, then we might want to see if price were to get supported again at the price of 120.10. Alright, so next we have the dollar against the Swiss franc. Right, so price was also a little change in a way, as last week it did appreciate, started to fall a little bit, and right now it's just consolidating. If you look into the smaller time frame itself, so however we are expecting price to appreciate further till it touches the resistance level at 0.9879, which is also the retracement level of 61.8%. So as price reaches this level, we might be able to go for the short opportunity as it retraces, and then we shall look for the long opportunity again from there. Alright, so that's for the dollar against the Swiss franc. Next, I would just like to touch on other currency pair. One is Aussie against New Zealand dollar. Right, just take note that in the day one chart itself, there's actually a falling trend channel, and of course, at the same time, not forget to mention that yes, price is already broken below the historical low at the price of 4.0475. So therefore, we are definitely expecting price to fall even lower from here onwards. So basically, back to the day one chart, there's a probable falling trend channel, and at this moment itself, price has been consolidating in a range itself. If you look at the 15-minute chart, you'll makes picture even clearer. So at this moment, what we can do is that whenever price touches any of the either the low of the range or the high of the range, we can actually go for either a short or either a long opportunity from here. Alright, now we are seeing the price is coming out a little bit. So if it's able to come all the way back to the support level, we might want to go for a long opportunity. Alright, and intraday long, which can earn about 50 pips of movement in the range itself. Alright, so next I would also like to touch on the Aussie against Japanese yen. As we know that in the weekly chart itself, there's a rising trend channel. Price has already touched the bottom, retraced back, and then it came down again, got supported at 200 moving average at the bottom of the rising trend channel, and it starts to rebound. But right now, after the trade balance itself, the Aussie has fell, and therefore it's coming back to the bottom of the rising trend channel again in the weekly chart, and therefore we are looking for a opportunity to go for a long. So therefore, during the 1 hour chart, we can use the Fibonacci retracement to see if it is a good time to go for the long right now. What we are seeing is that price is currently at retracement level 61.8%. It does seem that this is previously a resistance level as well, based on past record. Alright, probably this price was better. At the price of 91.24, we might want to look for a long opportunity again from here. Alright, so that's for the Aussie against the Japanese yen. Next, I would also like to touch on the pound against the Japanese yen. If you look at the daily chart itself, we'll see the price is currently at a low at the key support level. The price is 175.95. If you try to move it a little bit lower, it will be just nice at the price of 175.79. So at this moment itself, this could be a good chance to go for a long opportunity. But however, look at how bearish this the past few candle is. Price might be able to fall further and break below. However, it is still a good opportunity to go for the long. A bet to go for a long if price were to able to maintain the formation it has right now. Alright, but however, if price were to break below, then it might be able to form a falling trend, a probable falling trend channel. Alright, so that's for the pound against Japanese yen. And last but not least, we'd just like to touch on the euro against the Japanese yen. We see the price is currently at a previous low at the price of 127.21. We are seeing a consistent support right here during the smaller time frame. Right, so therefore, if price were to be able to probably retrace a little bit further closer to the previous support level 127.21, this could be a good opportunity to go for a long, while the price might be trading within a range itself. Alright, so that's for the euro against Japanese yen, and with that, I have come to the end of my trading analysis video. So thank you for watching, and I will see you again.